Jennifer, what do you do in your free time?
I love reading books. What about you?
I play soccer.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Jennifer and Levent.
Today we're learning about hobbies.
Hobbies are activities you do for fun.
Reading, sports, music, cooking, and more.
Let's learn together. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button and please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so Levent, are you ready?
Hobbies vocabulary. Indoor activities.
Hobby number 1, reading.
Reading means looking at books, magazines, or articles.
Now you say it. Reading.
I like reading novels.
Hobby number 2, watching TV or watching movies.
Many people relax by watching TV shows or films.
Now you say it. Watching TV.
I watch movies on weekends.
Hobby number 3, playing video games.
Video games are popular, especially with young people.
Now you say it. Playing video games.
My brother loves playing video games.
Hobby number 4, cooking.
Cooking means preparing food.
Now you say it. Cooking.
I enjoy cooking Italian food.
Hobby number 5, painting or drawing.
These are artistic hobbies. You create pictures.
Now you say it. Painting.
My sister likes drawing.
Hobby number 6, playing music.
This means playing an instrument like piano, guitar, or drums.
Now you say it. Playing music.
Do you play any instruments? Hobby number 7, listening to music.
Most people enjoy listening to music.
Now you say it. Listening to music.
I listen to music every day.
Hobby vocabulary, outdoor activities.
Hobby number 8, playing sports.
Sports keep you healthy. Soccer, basketball, tennis, and more.
Now you say it. Playing sports.
What sports do you play? Hobby number 9, running or jogging.
This is exercise. Good for your health.
Now you say it. Running.
I go running every morning. Hobby number 10, swimming.
Swimming is great exercise and very fun.
Now you say it. Swimming.
I love swimming in summer. Hobby number 11, cycling or biking.
Riding a bicycle for fun or exercise.
Now you say it. Cycling.
Cycling is eco-friendly.
Hobby number 12, hiking.
Hiking means walking in nature, in mountains or forests.
Now you say it. Hiking.
Hiking is relaxing and beautiful.
Hobby number 13, gardening.
Gardening means growing plants and flowers.
Now you say it. Gardening.
My mother loves gardening.
Hobby number 14, photography.
Taking photos with a camera or phone.
Now you say it. Photography.
I like photography. I take pictures everywhere.
Hobby number 15, traveling.
Visiting new places and countries.
Now you say it. Traveling.
Traveling is exciting and educational.
So many hobbies.
Talking about hobbies.
To talk about hobbies, use these verbs.
I like hobby. You enjoy it.
I love hobby. You really enjoy it.
I enjoy hobby. You have fun doing it.
For example, I like reading.
I love cooking.
I enjoy playing soccer.
Adding ing.
Important. After these verbs, add ing to the activity, not I like read,
Correct. I like reading.
not I love cook.
Correct. I love cooking.
Asking about hobbies.
To ask about hobbies, say, what do you do in your free time?
Now you say it. What do you do in your free time?
Or, what are your hobbies?
Now you say it. What are your hobbies?
Conversation 1. Getting to know someone.
What do you do in your free time?
I play soccer and read books. What about you?
I love cooking and watching movies.
Oh, what kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies.
Me too.
Let's repeat that. What do you do in your free time?
I play soccer and read books. What about you?
I love cooking and watching movies.
Oh, what kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies.
Me too.
Conversation 2. Making plans. Do you want to do something this weekend?
Sure. What do you like doing?
I enjoy hiking. There's a beautiful trail nearby.
That sounds great. I love hiking too.
Perfect. Let's go on Saturday.
Okay.
Now let's do it again. Do you want to do something this weekend?
Sure. What do you like doing?
I enjoy hiking. There's a beautiful trail nearby.
That sounds great. I love hiking too.
Perfect. Let's go on Saturday.
Okay.
Conversation 3. Hobbies discussion.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I play guitar.
Wow. How long have you played guitar?
For 5 years.
That's impressive.
Thank you. Do you play any instruments?
No, but I want to learn piano.
Piano is beautiful. You should try it.
Let's say it again. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I play guitar.
Wow. How long have you played guitar?
For 5 years.
That's impressive.
Thank you. Do you play any instruments?
No, but I want to learn piano.
Piano is beautiful. You should try it. Practice 1. Name the hobby.
What hobby is this?
Reading. What hobby is this?
Swimming. What hobby is this?
Cooking.
Practice 2. Complete the sentence.
I like blank books in my free time.
I like reading books. My brother loves blank video games.
My brother loves playing video games.
She enjoys blank to music.
She enjoys listening to music. Practice 3. Your hobbies.
Now tell us about your hobbies.
What do you do in your free time?
Do you like reading?
Do you play any sports?
What's your favorite hobby?
Excellent.
Great job today.
You learned so many hobbies.
Indoor, reading, watching TV, playing video games, cooking, painting, playing music.
Outdoor. Playing sports, running, swimming, cycling, hiking, gardening, photography, traveling.
And you learn to say, I like, love, enjoy, hobby, plus ing.
Remember to add ing.
And to ask, what do you do in your free time?
Now you can talk about hobbies with friends.
In the next episode, we're learning about transportation.
Car, bus, train, plane, and more.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Comment. Tell us, what's your favorite hobby?
See you next time.
Keep learning English.
Bye.
Goodbye.